Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce my recent favorite travel lighting kit for you guys. So I did a lot of troubleshooting in my past 3 and 4 months. So and then these two lighting gears are so super helpful and then this is so nice tool for my filmmaking, so I want to introduce this lighting for you guys. So let's get started. In terms of the troubleshooting, like an interview job, like a branded film, whatever, we should think about the gear, because this type of job requires these like a lighting kit and then camera package gonna be requires to be more smaller and lightweight and easy to set up, because this type of troubleshooting, especially for me, I have no time to put my bigger gears to the location. If you bring the nice shiny gear to the travel job, this gear eats up the time and the energy. Just pack and unpack and then bring it to the location. For me, my 70% to the 80% job is like the smaller crew and then one-man band type job. So I should think about these things often. Then I finally find the solution that I can create the nice lighting, but this is lightweight and then easy to set up for my shooting. There are two lighting gears that I want to introduce in this video. So number one is the AMIRA f21c, and then number two is the AMIRA PT4C LED light tube. The first one, AMIRA f21c, is the flexible LED light. This means you can bend and fold this light source and easy to put f21c to the ceiling. Actually, I use the f21c as a key light in this video, so I can see the f21c here. I use this f21c for the key light and edge light for my interview job or like a documentary shooting. And the second one is the AMIRA PT4C. This means AMIRA pixel tube and a 4-foot full color lighting. So this is the first pixelated tube light from the AMIRA brand. You can create not only the CCT or HSD light source, but also you can create a pixel FX light. So this means aperture creates like a moving pixel light FX included in this AMIRA PD series. I actually didn't use these FX stuff in my shooting actually, but if you wanna shoot like a music video or like a more creative video for your spec work kind of stuff, maybe this lighting effects, especially this pixel FX, is super nice feature, and you can expand your possibility in terms of lighting in your shooting. To be honest, this lighting gear, AMIRA f21c and AMIRA pixel tube, already exist on the market, because AMIRA f21c, this type of light, very thin, and you can put whatever you want, and you can hide this light source above your head. One of the most famous one is the light matte. Light matte is the maybe Hollywood quality light, and then many filmmaker uses this light source. But this AMIRA f21c is kind of the alternative for me, like an independent filmmaker. And also the AMIRA pixel tube. There are a lot of other products on the market, and one of the most famous one is the ARRI tube. So ARRI Titan tube. So many, feature film world uses the Titan tube for their shooting, and many DP uses this light for the edge light, or adding some tiny little nuance into the filmmaking. And then this Amaran PT tube, this Amaran PT4C, these series are also the alternative for these LED tube light. In the recent years, these Aperture and non-light other brands releases the new LED products on the market every single year. So we the struggle with this. What is the best choice for us? But in my opinion, we don't have to chase these new lighting gear, because our job is to create the good cinematography, good image, not using the newest one, not using the good gear. Maybe we can provide the good cinematography to the client or to director. This is okay. This is fine, even if you only have the fewer and old light source. But why I'm introducing these two lights for you guys? Because this is the biggest reason that we can control this light source by our smartphone. This is very, very helpful for me in my maybe 4 months, my job. So I want to introduce this feature. So maybe you guys already know that Sidus Link. This is the application name that provided by the Aperture. So, and then Amaran f21c and then Amaran PT4C, the tube light. These are the same brand from the Aperture. So you can control through the Bluetooth connection, and then you can easily adjust intensity a Kelvin and other tiny little adjustment after you setting up your lighting source. And then for me, my job is gonna be a more smaller crew, typically the documentary type. So once I put up my light source, we cannot touch and adjust the light source, because the space is gonna be more tiny and then not easy to the adjustment. I love this lighting quality and flexibility, but I feel a bit harsh just using this light source lit to the directly to the subject and actor's face, model's face. I think this is a little harsh. So when I feel that the things, I wrap this lighting source in the Muslin fabric. I introduced this Muslin fabric kind of things. I talked about the Muslin bounce in my previous video, but we can get nice fabric from the Amazon, and then you can cut it out and then whatever you want. And then this lighting fixture and then this type of fabric is super useful when I feel the light source is a bit harsh and is a little bit to the hard shadow. So I hope this video helped your filmmaking and filmmaking ideas. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.